What's going on, y'all? Rob Anderson, Delmar Christmas Lights. We light stuff up, clean power wash, obviously. Couple things. One, we are going to be doing a training the Wednesday and Thursday after the huge convention. I believe it is August 24th and 25th. Double check, but that Wednesday and Thursday we are going to be doing a training in Delmar, Maryland. It's about a 2-hour drive from Baltimore if you go fly in directly to there. If you do have a way to connect to either Philly or Charlotte, those fly directly to Salisbury, and then it's like a 5-minute drive, 10-minute drive to our shop. So we're gonna be doing that. Cost is $12.50 for the training. If you're only able to make it down there for one day, it's still the same $12.50. If you're able, second day, usually what we do is a lot more hands-on. We'll go out and do actual quotes. You get the chance to do more hands-on installation and everything. We try to make ours a lot more involved in what we're doing, not just classroom. More to really see and kind of go over some of the dollars and cents and stuff. And hey, here's what we've paid for these materials. Here's kind of looking at your costing and stuff. Be able to try out the goat, try out a pitch hopper, use the elf in person and all that. Climb up, do an inside wrap, do an outside wrap, all that stuff. So it really gets you really well prepared for that. If you do the training, we do have a couple of our papers and stuff that you can end up, like our quote sheet, our worksheet right now, we're working on digitizing that. But right now we just have paper copies so you can sketch out the house, sketch out the areas, be able to figure out your pricing and everything, and then transfer it to whatever way that you want to present that to the client, or prospect, I should say. Phone is glitching just a little bit. Hopefully it'll be okay for the rest of this video. But so really cool thing that we did today, and we signed on with this company to start making some professional videos for the company. Both doing some for the power wash and some for Christmas lights. Today's stuff for the Christmas lights is going to be so awesome. Really excited about how it turned out. Basically the whole, oh, you got the homeowner who wants to do it themselves, and then we're going to come in, do it, take care of it, and we got this. So that was a lot of fun. Guys, anytime that you're making content, if you're doing a job, if you're going to be recording it, find ways to make multiple pieces of content or ways to reuse the same thing. Obviously this company is going to be making us a video. I took a bunch of pictures and videos today, threw them up on social. I'm going to throw more stuff up on social later because we got so much stuff from today. It's something, especially if you guys are getting into Christmas lights, the more activity you have going on early on, the better. We've got a big client that we're doing a color swap to all purple tomorrow. The next day, it is crazy stupid hot right now, so we are having to make sure. I just spent almost $200 on Gatorades, Powerades, body armors, all that stuff. And popsicles. Got to have popsicles for the crew. Making sure, guys, if you don't already do this, keep a case of water on the truck. Even if that case of water has been sitting out in the sun, it's still good for your guys. It still gives them that hydration. Make sure, especially again with hot water, with the hot temperatures that you're given, that you're making sure that your technicians are not drinking just water. They're drinking water and Gatorade, and not just Gatorade. They're balancing back and forth, at least a 1-to-1. Ideally, quite frankly, 1 Gatorade, 2 waters. But you don't want to be drinking all of one or all of the other because it'll really mess your system up. So, anyway, guys, have a great day. See ya.